Hey, good afternoon everybody. It's Ned over at My Philippine Dreams, and our quest for another house rental continues, and today we are a little bit west of Dumaguete. We're still in Dumaguete City, and we're checking out a 3-bedroom house that's for rent here, and it's pretty freaking nice, so come along and check it out with me. Alright, so there's the front gate, and there's actually a garage, a storable, lockable storage area back here that runs back pretty far. It's a garage. You could actually put a car in there, and it's very nicely landscaped. This seems to be a quiet area of the subdivision. It's got a guard out front, and it seems pretty quiet, and they're not allowed to burn trash or refuse or anything, so that's good. Now before we go check out the exterior, let's get into the interior. All right, first thing I noticed at this place is it's nice and cool. This is the kitchen area, and you got room there for a washing machine if you so wish. Wow, I haven't seen one of these for a long time, and we had the same exact one, same color. It's got a nice sink, a lot of cabinetry, which is always good. Cabinetry. It also comes with a lot of furnishings. This is a nice GE refrigerator. That's a big freezer right there, and it's got like a little breakfast table right here. Again, all the furnishings are included. This is 25,000 pesos. This is the foyer right here. I like the decorative brickwork. It's very classy. They got some bars here. All the windows have screens, and they also have security grates. You guys know I'm a sucker for art, and here's some nice art.
There's a unicorn over there.
Oh, I think those are unicorns. This might be destiny. I also got a lot of storage space here. You get these cabinets all over the place. They're in good condition, unlike some other places that are kind of rough. You also have a big stock room right here for all your stockable needs. This is basically your pantry. You can store all kinds of stuff in here.
The curtains are not included.
Yes, we have to mention that the curtains in the bedrooms are not included. There's the dining room table. It's very nice. This is high quality stuff. This isn't garbage. This isn't basura. Here is the living room, and again, all the stuff that you see here is included. 5.1 surround sound. You got a little television. Again, the quality of everything, the furniture, all this stuff is really good. And look at this. I guess that's called a hutch. You'd call that a hutch. Yeah. And more art. Again, very classy. It smells nice in here too. We've been checking out some houses recently that aren't that nice. This is not the master bedroom, but it's a huge freaking room. Again, you got lots of storage space. Cabinets. You could lose a little paint. That's okay. But the interior is all pristine and nice. They clean this place up really nice. It also has split type aircon and 2 of the big bedrooms. And again, this is a big bedroom. Now let's go into the bathroom. Yay, bathroom. It's a water saver. Gotta save that water. There's no water heater, but I'm sure you can install one. That's not a big deal. It's pretty easy to do. Nice big bathroom. Raised lip so it doesn't fill the whole bath. And you got the second bedroom here. The curtains are not included. I guess that's the only thing that's not included. Again, you got a lot of storage space right here. It's very nice. And finally, let's go check out the master bedroom. Now those 2 bedrooms there, they have a shared bath, and this room has its own bath. This is the master bedroom. Again, all the stuff comes with it. TV. Nice art. Another split type aircon. It's Panasonic. They're all Panasonics. There's the bed. It's a big bed. I look like king size. Again, the woodwork quality is really good. I keep saying again. I gotta stop doing that. And there's a pen included. Let's check out the bathroom. And here's the master bath. It's nice. It's all tiled, clean tiles, no stains, no nicks, no dents. Toilet's actually flush. This is a high quality toilet, and it's got one of those, I think they're called bidets, if you're into that sort of thing. And an even bigger shower area. This is a big shower. All right, so that's pretty much the inside of the house. Let's go check out the television, GMA network. Let's go check out the outside. Again, the kitchen cabinetry is really high quality stuff. This is not your typical rental in Dumaguete City. Yes, you're paying a little more, 25,000 pesos. Maybe negotiable, I don't know. I haven't pressed them on it. Let's go around the exterior of the house. And this is actually, the garage is actually a shop. So if you like doing shop stuff, it's even got shadow boards. Chichai's all excited because they got drums. Yeah. Now, are all the tools included?
Included the same stuff.
I don't know if the tools are included. No, okay, the tools aren't included. And there's a Balik Bayan box that hasn't been opened. Okay. We'll continue on the tour. This is right near the entrance to the subdivision. There goes a truck. We always got some noise. And you got the air cons out here. These windows actually all work, and again, they got the security grating and the screens, which I would not live without. This stuff right here, this netting, I think is for a little bit of shade to break up the ultraviolet radiation. Got your hose for washing stuff. Got the Panasonic aircon. And off the side of the house here, you got this big garden space. So if you want to do some gardening here in the Philippines, you can do that. I don't know what kind of trees those are.
There's a mango tree.
We got a mango tree over there. And we got a dog barking at us. He sees strangers. So yeah, other than this little guy over here barking, it's nice. So, oh, and they got a TV antenna. Huh, haven't seen one of those in a long time. So if you're interested in Malunggay, gotta have Malunggay. So if you're interested, I'll put the contact information down in the video description box. If the house is available, the contact information will be there. If it's not available, the contact information will not be there, and I'll put in a note saying that it's currently being rented. But if you're in Dumaguete and around Dumaguete and you're looking for a nice place, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, quality furnishings, no BS, this is really nice. And this is the carport. You put your scooters here. Till next time, this is Ned.
Chichai.
And we'll see you on My Philippine Dreams. Hey, if you consider our work to be of any value, consider supporting us on Patreon. If you're a Patreon, you get a free copy of my ebook, and we do monthly Google Hangouts. So consider doing that, if you would please.